Did you know July 23rd shaped our world in ways you'd never expect? On this day in 1829, William Austin Burt patented the first typewriter, forever changing how we communicate. In 1903, Ford sold its very first car, launching the automotive revolution. The year 1995 saw comet Hale-Bopp discovered, becoming one of the most visible comets of the 20th century. In 1962, the first live transatlantic TV broadcast via satellite happened, connecting continents instantly. And in 1967, riots in Detroit began that would reshape American urban policy. Even more recently, in 2000, Tiger Woods became the youngest player to complete golf's career Grand Slam at just 24. History isn't just dates in textbooks. It's the foundation of our present. What July 23rd event fascinates you most? Please comment, like, share, and follow me for more.